Good afternoon, everybody. Our Mr. Balram is the Telangana Event Management President and our MD Tourism Manohar Garu, Rafiq Garu, Ravi Garu, Revipura Garu, and other delegations coming to an international worldwide, Australia, Philippines, and other countries, and Barcelona or overall India. Welcome to. I'm very happy to see this occasion. You know, Hyderabad is the one of the richest country once upon a time. You know the Kohinoor diamond. This is a London exhibition is also there. That diamond also belongs to Hyderabad only. Hyderabad is the famous for pearls, gold, and diamonds. And biryani, Hyderabadi biryani is the famous, worldwide famous in the food also. This culture, food, and one of the biggest business center in India. Here, so many international events are going on here. Your international airport is there, and vaccination also. As the COVID time, overall the worldwide 46 population vaccinations coming from Hyderabad only, and biggest multi-drug supply in Hyderabad to all over India, whole country. This is the Hyderabad is the very good atmosphere and peaceful law and order maintaining our government. This Hyderabad is the Telangana is the one of the newly formation of state. Our leader KCR is the struggle so many years of the formation of Telangana. He is the chief minister in Telangana. After coming of chief minister, he is doing lot of development in Hyderabad. Anyone, any person for establishing any industry in Hyderabad, just you see website, T-Hub and IT corridor and any industry you are in Hyderabad interested, just you apply after 15 days automatically given to all permissions in our government. Single window system and our event management industry also biggest industry in the India, all over India. Hyderabad biggest convention center also is here. We are planning to another one to biggest worldwide, India-wide biggest convention center also planning our IT Minister KTR. And historical places is there, UNESCO, recognized UNESCO places, temples, and cities also, historical cities also in Hyderabad, nearby the Hyderabad, temples, nature, rivers, and all these things. So anybody comes to Hyderabad for marriages or any convention centers coming to here, we are completely cooperating and any permissions already yesterday I told Mr. Balram that our tourism department is single window system. If anything, anywhere you conduct a seminar, event, we will just only single application we will give to all permissions we are planning to and our Telangana tourism. Our MD also 24 hours is struggle for the Telangana tourism. Is today in this occasion so many countries, so many all over India event managers, management and big companies also coming here. Welcome to Hyderabad. Thank you.
Namaskaram to all the dignitaries from the various verticals of this Congress, to the Honorable Minister and the Government of Telangana, and to all my co-participants gathered here today. It is an honor to be invited to deliver the keynote address of the South Indian Wedding Planners Congress to this distinguished audience. I would like to thank the Telangana Chamber of Events Industry for this opportunity. I'm indeed delighted to be in the midst of all of you and to network. In the next few minutes, I would like to dwell on the following areas of our creative industry. The first is recognizing and fostering our cultural heritage of celebrating milestones in our lives. The second, reflecting where we are now and the way forward for our industry. The third, ensuring responsible practices. The fourth, educating and creating awareness about our industry and its social impact. In South India, we are surrounded by annual celebrations of celestial weddings of our divinities, like those of the goddess Meenakshi and Sundareswarar in Madurai, and God Ranganatha and Ranganayaki in Srirangam, and as pointed out earlier, the Srinivasa Kalyanam in Tirupati, among many others. The cultural richness of these temple rituals are a unifying force that foster devotion and community celebrations. These celebrations have over the centuries permeated into our lives and are of immense cultural significance. Cultural heritages such as weddings strengthen family bonds and create cherished memories that travel through generations. There are many rites of passage or life cycle milestones in an individual's life that are celebrated in India, from a birth of a child to her adolescence, birthdays, marriages, to celebrate life and living. We, as an industry, carry with us the responsibility of creating memorable experiences that are hued with color and cultural richness. We are tasked with the responsibility of creating personalized experiences reflecting each couple's story. In a sense, we as an industry carry forward India's rich cultural heritage through weddings and events. Our role as wedding planners and designers is in crafting unforgettable moments. I'd like to quote here from the Purananuru, another ancient Tamil text, which says, "Even amidst troubles and hardships, celebration leaves no room for sorrow." It is important to see where we are now and the way forward for us. We as an industry are very creative and instrumental in transforming dreams into reality, creating memories that will be nurtured by future generations. We take responsibility for creating hassle-free progress of events that enables our clients to participate fully and enjoy familial celebrations. Our industry today forges connections with fellow Asian countries and cultures, as well as the Indian diaspora worldwide. These lead to global markets, opening pathways to expand our global identity through celebrations. Full advantage can be taken only when we become an organized sector. We need to professionalize and improve all-round skill sets and bring in safety standards. This industry has an exciting growth rate of approximately 20 to 25%, but yet remains in the unorganized sector. It is gaining recognition as a robust creative industry. As this sector scales up, we need to recognize its impact on environment in the choices of materials used and their disposal. This sector generates employment and livelihood opportunities for people with traditional skills and knowledge, and equally so for semi-skilled and unskilled workforce. However, the seasonal nature of this industry throws up a major challenge of inability to provide year-round livelihood opportunities to its workforce. The decentralized nature of the sector is an advantage that ensures the optimum use of resources and fosters entrepreneurship. Going forward, it is imperative that traditional skills like garland making and traditional decorations and craft are preserved and nurtured. This is what will set us apart in the global arena. Supporting local artisans and sustaining cultural heritage should be the cornerstone of our endeavors. Showcasing crafts in weddings will ensure a sustainable future for traditional skills. We need to concentrate our efforts to become an organized sector so that we may also be considered as a major player in the economy. Individuals interested in a career in this sector need to be oriented and trained. Developing of curriculum and setting up of training facilities will be the key to take advantage of global markets. Infusion of technology like innovative design and management software and artificial intelligence will enable us to provide creative ambiances for the celebratory events. Our role as South Indian wedding planners is in preserving traditions and promoting responsible practices. To sum up, promoting awareness about cultural and environmental impact of celebrations, incorporating sustainable and eco-friendly practices, emphasizing the responsible role of event planners, fostering creativity and artistic expression, preserving cultural heritage and art forms, empowering local communities with meaningful careers. It is important to bring about awareness and educate our children in our culture, our traditions, heritage of our crafts and practices from early schooling years. To inculcate traditional skills in the school curriculum, empower our youth with knowledge and appreciation. I would like to bring in a personal story here about how I got interested in the art of garland making and floral traditions. I grew up in a household where my mother would organize a 3 to 5 day temple festival in the small town that we lived in. Those 3 to 5 days, all my friends from school or college would be at home. All our larger rooms were filled with flowers of different hues.